Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Mini Cooper versus Fortuner. Follow along as we break down performance, interior space, fuel economy, safety features, and ownership costs in plain terms. I'll highlight driving feel, passenger comfort, cargo capacity, and running expenses so you know which suits your lifestyle. I'll point out trade-offs like maneuverability versus ground clearance and city parking versus off-road readiness to simplify your decision process. In this video, I will compare Mini Cooper versus Fortuner. Listen as I describe engine character, throttle response, and chassis dynamics that shape daily driving enjoyment. We'll cover braking feel, cornering confidence, and how each vehicle behaves under load or on steep grades. I'll explain why a lower center of gravity favors sporty roads while higher suspension suits gravel and uneven surfaces, helping you match driving style to vehicle strengths. In this video, I will compare Mini Cooper versus Fortuner. Quick recommendation: if you transport snacks or meals between commutes, these leak-proof meal prep containers keep food secure and your car clean, and they stack neatly in the boot. They're great for meal planning, avoiding spills, and saving time on busy mornings. If you find this helpful, subscribe and like, then check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Mini Cooper versus Fortuner. I'll walk through interior dimensions, seat comfort, and real-world luggage capacity so you know what fits. Expect comparisons of rear legroom, boot space, and roof load options for bikes or boxes. I'll discuss child seat fitment, storage bins, and how daily routines like grocery trips or weekend gear transport affect choice between compact convenience and SUV practicality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.